dali ang kasiga kay magkauna kita. Kanamit sa kinasal sa Bacolod, take me to Malocan country. Sampat di ang tiklada, hindi ka magduha-duha, dali na sa kinasal festival. Kanamit sa kinasal sa Bacolod, take me to Malocan country. Sampat di ang tiklada, hindi ka magduha-duha, dali na sa kinasal festival. Kanamit sa kinasal sa Bacolod, take me to Malocan country. Sampat di ang tiklada, hindi ka magduha-duha, dali na sa kinasal festival.
Our iconic landmark, the Malocan country, continues to thrive in the heart of modern Bacolod, not just preserved, but uplifted. With its spirit and legacy, the forefront of progress. This year's Chicken Inasal Festival has the theme Fire and Fusion. Fire, of course, mainit. I'm sure na-experience nyo ang fire. Palakpakan naka-experience fire. Ay, kahinay. Wala, gutom pa sila. This is Bacolod's rich culinary culture. Miskin diin ka magkanto, when you say Chicken Inasal, automatically people say Bacolod because Chicken Inasal is synonymous to Bacolod and Bacolod is synonymous to Chicken Inasal. SM City Bacolod has become more than just a venue. It has become a vibrant hub for events that honor both tradition and transformation. We are proud to host this year's celebration in a space that welcomes the fusion of old and new. And of course, with a fire. So starting with today's kickoff ceremony, where our beloved legacy Malocan country partners are set to grill our authentic grilled chicken inasal. Diri ang tuod nga inasal sa Malocan country. Hindi bala? Diri ang tuod nga inasal. So thank you and may this festival be the best yet. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Ms. Julia Havaliana, the long manager of SM City Bacolod.
Congressman Greg, who is the mayor-elect, we would like to give full recognition sa aton celebration subong sa aton Inasal Festival. As mentioned earlier by Ms. Juliana, amo gini ang isang pride and honor sa aton syudad, especially sa aton food tourism. So, padayon ang aton pagsuporta sa aton paghatag sa importance sa aton celebration today, and hopefully we can look forward to a better or bigger celebration each and every year. That's a full commitment of your local official. So again, yung pasalamat kami sa inyo katanan, medyo kang over pagamay sa election, but nonetheless, congratulated kita kung naghatag sa pagsuporta. Mayong aga, and congratulations sa Malocan country and aton Inasal Festival. We welcome everyone. Salamat gid.
First Chicken Inasal Festival was really big. Kay tanan to nga tao na dala po ulit mga manok.
Berlan. Ang budget mo is 1,250,000 lang. No? Kag wala pa na nagwa, kaya tungkol sa election band na to. Why ko kay balo sa budget sa previous years, no? Ang first Chicken Inasal Festival, unless ito kay Councilor Alex Pangimutan, kay siya lang author sa Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. So, I have no idea kung pila ito ang budget. Pero alam ba, ano to, na tanan ito may dala, tungkol na pag-siga sa grilling, na ginaso, way nakitaan, pagtapos ang aso, way na tanan. So, pinulit na ito tanan, ang chicken, inasal. Sadya to, kinuha ay lang sa manok.
Carla, and the rest of our media friends here, no? I'd like to answer the question from the point of view of Bacolod City Tourism Office. Because, you know, ang Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival is history in the making. This is a work in progress festival. We cannot compare this at this point in time sa Mascara Festival because this is a growing or nurturing festival or developing festival sa Bacolod City. So, it's not about the budget, no? Kaya what's interesting now, no? It's a very minimal budget, actually. Previously, in-celebrate in previous years, half a day lang. But during the time of Mayor Albi, I have to give, of course, credit to our honorable mayor. During the time of Mayor Albi, it started developed into 3 days, 4 days, and then 5 days na. So from a very minimal budget, nag-grow siya. Why? Because of the participation of the private sectors. Like SMCT, nagako sa inabulit para mag-grow ang ating festival. Aside from them, ang ibang pamala natin, they are very competitive, no, private sectors. SMCT, I'd like to mention here, after SMCT, we have Ayala Malls, Capital Central. So it's a healthy competition. We have the Upper East Mega World. Tanan sila very competitive to promote our festival. And I'd like to point out that, you know, in every stick na aton ginagrill, every chicken at sal na aton ginagrill, there's a story behind that. It's the story that counts na amoy na ang ginapahayag ta sa ating mga bisita. It's the story about culture, our history. Kung diin nag-start ang Chicken Inasal. It started from a small business, but look at us now. It's growing big, di ba na, no? So ang mga dapat ang nurture. Aside from that, we develop Bacolod City, we promote Bacolod City as a culinary hub, as a cultural hub, to let people flourish, to let the businesses flourish, and all of the above. So ano na siya essence sa ating Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. So let it grow, let it develop, and we have to learn to love what we have, find the pride in growing our Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. So mabuhay ang Bacolod, mabuhay ang SMCT. That's it. From Bacolod City Tourism.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ed. Ms. Carla, I believe, has a follow-up question.
For the president of Manukan country, is there a reason now to smile na subong ginagaan dito mo sa attention sa city of Bacolod? I know the transfer was really hard, and now, is there a reason to smile now?
Of course, we've been smiling naman ever since. So, maybe there were struggles, you know, challenges that came from the previous years. But actually, as President, I'm very optimistic with how will the venture of the PPP will promote Manukan country. So I'm expecting it full support, us and full support, of course. Kabay pa nga hindi madula ang Manukan country sa Bacolod, and kabay pa nga I acknowledge that the Chicken Inasal really started here in Manukan country. And I am expecting full support man sa mga Bacoleños to patronize still ang atong original kaya na diri sa Manukan country na located na subong sa SM. We are still serving you flavorful, authentic Chicken Inasal. Namanamian kaya ang Bilong Negros. Actually, mas kanong mga turista, diri gigapon kakadto sa amon. So maybe may mga adjustments na, but we are I'm just very optimistic, and I'm hoping and expecting the support man since naging transfer kami dire. We're hoping it to be a better venue man for our diners. Yes, there's a reason to smile, and hopefully a big smile ahead.
Thank you so much, Ms. D. Anybody else from our media partners and friends would like to ask their questions? Another one from Ms. Carla.
Wala na. Okay.
Wala siguro on this year, pero hopefully by next year again. Ayan, anybody else from our media friends? Wala na question from the media. Ah, yes, sir.
Councilor Flor, are there plans to amend the ordinance since wala siya sang specific date, di ba, kung when we celebrate? Are there plans to amend the ordinance or anong situation?
Yes, actually may attempt kita no to revise to amend the ordinance no kaya parang hindi tayo mag-stick lang para maging flexible kita sa schedule because may threats kita sa halin sa nature no amo na mga binulan amo na mga adlaw ang binagyo so ipa-amend na on nga base pwede nga April, May or May, June no instead of May alone. So, amo lang na siya.
Thank you so much. Anybody else sa ato niya media friends? So again, ladies and gentlemen, habang nag-aantay tayo for more questions from our media partners here, again, let me reiterate that the main reason why we are doing this is not only to celebrate Chicken Inasal as a culinary treasure of Bacolod, but at the same time, pay tribute to our original Inasal vendors. Diba? Gaya ni na Miss D. Ayan. So again, sa lahat naman nandito ngayon, sa lahat ng mga arak ni Subong sa SM City Bacolod, for our grand launch, madamo gid nga salamat sa pagpakita sa inyong suporta sa aton yung mga Inasal vendors. And hopefully, gaya nga rin nasabi ni Ms. D, soon, diba, lalong lumaki ang sales nila, lalong lumaki at gumanda ang Manokan Country. Of course, with the help of SM City Bacolod. In a few years, diba, there will be a bigger venue for our original Inasal vendors from SM. Ayan, dyan po, very soon. Anybody else from the media?
Klaro po lang na sa MC, the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival is organized by the City of Bacolod. Salamat.
Thank you so much, Councilor Celia Flor, for the clarification. So again, if wala na pong tanong from our media partners, ako naman ang may tanong ngayon. Ang tanong, gutom na po ba kayo? Gusto na ba kumain ng Chicken Inasal? Yes, no? Parang yung mga vlogger friends natin, talagang gutom na. So again, let's all please give a big round of applause to our guests here this morning. Of course, we have our guests from the local government of Bacolod as well as our partners and supporters for the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. Right now, good news, ladies and gentlemen, because kainan na. Ayan, so this time, to everyone here at SM City Bacolod, Manokan Country, we will provide you with your lunch. Syempre, ano ba? But our famous and delicious Chicken Inasal.
Welcome to Manokan Country. Kung buti ang Himolaga, Inasal is the best. Oh my gosh, dahil ang kasika, kay magkaroon na kita. Kanamit sa Inasal sa Bacolod. Take me to Manokan Country. Sampat niya ang tiklada, hindi ka magduha-duha, dahil na sa Inasal Festival. Kanamit sa Inasal sa Bacolod. Ang tiklada, hindi ka magduha-duha, dahil na sa Inasal Festival. Kanamit sa Inasal sa Bacolod. Take me, welcome to Bacolod. Welcome to Manokan Country. Kung buti ang Himolaga, Inasal is the best. Oh my gosh, dahil ang kasika, kay magkaroon na kita. Kanamit sa Inasal sa Bacolod.